Hello guys, we're walking. We're walking to farm. Sa farm kami guys. We go to the paprika farm. Ang harvest kami ng paprika farm guys. Ayaw sumakay ng stroller. Mahulog. Hold lang mama, Becky, kinakulbaan ng mama. Hulog ka. Dami sa exhibition, oy. Hello guys, walking kami pa farm. Punta kami sa farm. Paprika farm. Ayan po yung paikot-ikot. So let's go. Let's go, Papa. Let's go, Papa. Hello guys. Hello guys. Come here, Laga. I don't know if you can get the camera. Where's car?
Look, the camera. Camera.
Ganda dito guys. Ganda lang ito namin. Pero bakit ang ganda talaga ng nature pag ganito na? So medyo malaya-laya pa sila guys dahil winter. Papa ko lang sa Maldo.
I love you. Dit Stijn, we moeten daar weer lopen. De andere zijde. Andere zijde, oké.
They're searching nest and eggs of the birds there.
Jogging.
Jogging. She's enjoying.
I'm pretty sure they have some.
Grabe, enjoy talaga siya. First time ito guys lumabas sa ganitong ano. Maganda kasi dito guys. Diyan sa Pilipinas kasi ang farm, grabe malikabok dito. Wala, super fresh ang air. Ano, springtime na dito guys. Springtime na. Next week, springtime na. So, maganda ang ano ngayon, ang weather. It's 9. How much? 18? 18 degrees? 18 degrees ka. Ngayon ang weather guys. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Go up. Stand up. It's okay. Papa will help you. Good job. She's enjoying. Ayaw niya magkano dito sa stroller. Ayaw niya umupo. Ayaw niya sumakay. Ayaw niya mag-jogging, walking. Ano yun si Ace? Si remember Ace? Push and run. Si make like Ace. Wala man sa Ace dire. Si Peter na lang. Oh, ayan. Napakubos na. Napakubos na. Tired ah? Tired? She wanted your run. No, she's running. No, she's running. She doesn't want. No, she's running. She's running. Sila to guys, oh. Ako naman for this life, magbaon ako ng
Nuts there. Eat.
pandesal with peanut. Tapos hindi ako nakadala ng kutsara. Hindi kasi ako nag-breakfast guys. Tapos ito na ang lunch at breakfast.
Eat.
Pandesal. Gumawa ako ng pandesal.
Yes.
May video ako dyan paggawa ng pandesal.
Come. Here's nut. Nothing inside.
Nice. Nice bubbles.
Empty. Empty, done.
More.
It's done. The bottle is empty. It doesn't fall down. Look.
Where?
There.
Oh, it's not empty. Give it
Come
Papa
on,
will do
rub
it.
with your finger more. It's so much.
She want to catch the bubbles. Ay, look at her tongue.
You cannot eat. Cannot eat. Kann doch nicht essen. Ja. Komm, ess schnell die Nuss. Hier. Nein. Hier. Nuss, essen.
Don't throw away.
Essen.
No.
Jawel. Kannst du nicht essen. Kann man nicht essen, Maus.
The wind is
Kommt
coming.
von hier, kommt von der.
Oh, you try. You're the one to try. Try. Comes to your face. The bubbles comes to your face. Ah! Sabon. Take a picture. Brown horse. Oh, take care, huh? So scared.
Was kommt noch mehr?
Nee,
Take care. So tall.
Ja, gell.
wenn du groß bist, spätestens bist du auch Pferdeverrückte.
Oh ja, wahrscheinlich schon.
Sie konnte kaum laufen. Puppe an den Haaren und hinterhergeschleppt und zum Pferd.
Pferd.
Puppe war 2, 3 Hände.
Schon Leute, gell? Oh, wer weiß.
Ja, das ist ganz so. Einmal Virus, immer Virus.
Wow. First she touched. First time she touched the horse. Oh,
Da eigentlich
take care.
Englisch verstehen, ist eine amerikanische Rasse.
So machen, so. Der Maut.
Take care the hand, beloved. No. Not put in the.
Schön.
No, not in the. Not here on the hand, my love. You're the one to do it.
Nicht fürs Kind, fürs Pferd.
Yeah.
Nicht, dass das Kind es ist. Das ist nicht schlimm, aber.
Essen. Horse, gell? Horse. Nur Ei.
Oh, blue eyes. Oh, blue eyes auch. Oh gosh, so cute. Blue eyes also. Sana all.
Ab heute sind lauter Pferdeposter in deinem Zimmer. Und lauter Barbie-Pferde und alles mit Pferd. Alles wird im Fernsehen angeguckt und Pferd.
Grabe yung tangkad ng kabayo. Blue eyes, sobrang ganda. Is that girl? Is that girl, my love, or boy? Is that girl?
Girl.
Girl. Yeah, she's beautiful.
This is Jack.
Wow. She's laughing.
Okay. Das mag der, ja.
Wow. We can do this in Philippines also. We buy the horse.
Nicht fressen jetzt, kein Gras.
Jetzt gehen wir runter, dann kannst du sehen, wie groß der ist. Wie groß ist der?
1,60 Stockmaß.
Ist der groß genug?
No, my love, take her the hand. My love, take her the hand.
Ja, ja.
Yeah.
Das ist noch kleiner.
Ja. Das haben wir so eine Freundin gehabt, das ist eine Hannoveraner gehabt. Ja, der war mindestens so.
Ja, das ist größer. Das hier, das ist ja ein Quarter.
She's saying now, iya, yo. Oh, so cute. So beautiful. Up.
Ich liebe Pferde, aber ins Gesicht mag ich
Ja.
keine Tiere.
Ja,
Weder
hey.
Katze noch Hund noch Pferd. Also das Gesicht, nein.
Ja,
Er
nein.
auch nicht.
Nicht. Nein.
Gut, gell?
Tschüss.
Also,
Tschüss, Fred. You're so beautiful.
gerne, schönes Wochenende.
Tschüss.
Ciao.
Dankeschön. Inabol niya guys yung ano. Inabol niya yung kabayo. Tignan niyo, habulin niya yung kabayo. Come here. Meryl, come. Come on. Allah. Inabol niya yung kabayo. Ang layo niya na. Tignan niyo, ang layo niya na. Oh, ang layo niya na. Ala, papa to the rescue. Ala, takbo siya. Inabol niya yung kabayo. Ang bait, blue eyes yung kabayo guys, blue eyes. Sana all. Ang bait ng kabayo, tsaka ang bait ng may-ari. Pumayag sa videohan ko. Allah. Ayaw niya. Ayaw. Hinabol yung kabayo. Ayaw niya mag-ano. Ayaw yung pa. Tingnan mo. Kinarga ng papa. Ang layo niya na. So dito kami guys nag-picnic. Ganun lang naman. Oh, tak. Malit lang naman to guys ng aming picnic. Wala kami masyadong dala. Ayan. Lag. Wala. She's singing.
On his farm, he has some cows.
Bumalik ko. Up. My love, the hand. Take care.
An der Schnauze nicht. Das ist wie wenn du an der Nase eine rausschlägst. Was heute Nacht was Schönes zu träumen.
Kailangan ko wash ko talaga yung kamay niya.
Ja, machen wir jetzt.
Meron naman kaming alcohol guys. Meron kaming tawag doon. Emergency kit. Cheers! Cheers!
Die said also, never behind the
Yeah. Say bye! Bye-bye! Tignan mo kamay niya. Dali, disinfect natin kamay mo. Dali. Meron kaming kadala guys na emergency kit. Meron dyan lahat. Mag-disinfect muna. Dalawang bisis ko disinfect yung kamay niya kasi kanina nag-touch din siya sa mouth. Sa mouth ng horse. walking. Just watching. What's that, baby? Bata lang ka-drive doon. Sakit siya? Ah, this papa maybe. Bata lang ka-drive. What is that, Langga? Ha? First time yung nakakita ng mga ganito eh. Is that first time to your life? Is that first time to your life to watch this one? Bata lang ka-drive, guys. I think mga 10 years old lang.
Very long.
Tingnan guys, ang daming mga kahoy guys, oh. This is what my work before. bring the wood to do fire for food. Dami talagang kahoy dito guys, pero bawal kumuha. It's not allowed to take that. Kailangan mo pa kumuha ng certificate, makapangahoy ka. Ayan, ang daming kahoy, oh. Magabok lang ito na guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Nalumot na. Pang lumot na. Oh. Sobrang daming kahoy guys, as in. Tapos ang haba. Tapos pag ano naman guys, pag summer, sobrang greeny. Sobrang green yan dito. Ito winter kasi, makalbo talaga ang mga kahoy guys pag winter kasi hindi kaya sa snow. Pag nag-snow. So, sobrang daming kahoy, oh. Diba Pilipinas dyan, mahirap ka na kumuha ng kahoy. Dito ang dami as in. Ano? Pag natipon mo ito lahat, ilang years mo siguro yan panggatong sa tinigang mo. Diba? Oh, masarap ang luto guys na kanin o ulam pag ang gamit mo ay kahoy. Yan, free na kung malapit ka sa kakahoyan dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito kasi hindi sila gumagamit, bawal. Pinagbabawal yan dito magamit ng kahoy para pang saing sa bahay. Merong smoke detector. Pag may aso, agoy, tit. Yan o, dami tayo, pagtumpok-tumpok. O yan. Natumba lang siguro yan sa hangin. Ilang years na siguro yan nakatumba dyan. Diba?